I found this one at Burlington Coat Factory. Oh, where'd the paper go? I think like 50% off. I'm gonna review it. How can I review something when my nose is clogged to the brim? I can still smell though. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so there was 45 bucks for the Dolce and Gabbana. 45 bucks. It's 76 bucks comparable value, but I don't know where. On Amazon, it was 88 bucks. $88. And it's an agua de toilette. I got this because the other one that I was looking at was actually for a lady. I think it was for, what was it called? Oh, the Versace. It was like a Versace one. But then I Googled it and it said for women, but it was in the men's section. So it might have been unisex. I don't know. But this one is the one by Dolce and Gabbana. Dolce and Gabbana. So Oriental spicy. It's a spicy, and that's what I've been looking for. Because low key, this one smells like Adidas. I said it. It smells like Adidas. There's another channel on YouTube that's like doing some like kind of like not the best reviews like this one. I mean, but it was honest. And he had an honest review about colognes, about how long they last. And it's like 2 hours, hour and a half, like 2 hours, 3 hours. When other people are saying this lasts 4 to 5 hours. But I don't know, the other people might be right too. I mean, I can't really, because of the skin tone and the oil in their skin, it holds on to it longer, maybe. So it might be right, but I felt like that guy was like, I think we both might have the same body type, and the fragrance holds on to our bodies about the same time. But I don't know. I have to like ask people, right? How long does last and review it. But anyway, this is a toilet, agua de toilette. So how much concentration this has is, I guess, identified by right here. I'm going to say, what's 79% volume? I think that's 79% alcohol. I haven't figured it out yet, but I should. And it has, so this is the ingredients. The ingredients breaks down like this: alcohol, aqua, fragrance. Right? And then, what the hell? Ethylexyl methoxenamate. I guess those are the... See, but it doesn't tell you the quantities of the alcohol or the water or the fragrance. It doesn't tell you the quantities. That's where it kind of gets kind of like, because I think I might be wrong, but the way they list ingredients with like a soda, like a Coca-Cola, I called them one time and I'm like, how much sugar, how much flavor is in this? And they told me that they list the majority of the ingredient in the product as the first thing, as the first listing. And then it goes, the least is water, and then the third least would be fragrance. I might be wrong with fragrances, but that's the way it kind of worked. That's what the way that the lady at Coca-Cola customer service told me. She said, this is how it works, and this is how it gets listed. So, let's open this up really quick, huh? I'm doing this with one hand. I'm trying to get some, I'm going to get some what's it called? The Facebook, not the Facebook, the Facebook Ray-Bans. I think it's like a time thing. Ooh. Oriental spicy. I want to smell like that. I want to smell like watermelon. I've been trying to find this other watermelon one, and Candy's had a watermelon type of scent, and I'm sure I can find it again if I just try. But it looks good. It looks nice. $45 right here. This was, what was this, 80? No, this was actually 100 because it came in a pack. This came with the lotion, no, the soap, body wash, and a small fragrance, and this one, which was $100. This was a straight $45. And I mean, it looks, I haven't smelled it yet. My scent isn't the best right now. It's congested. We're gonna go ahead and, how do I do this? On my knee? On my forehead? Where should I spray this? On the alien? I'll put it on the alien. How do you smell, Mr. Alien? You smell spicy. That's right there. I guess I like it. I don't really know. I need to smell a fart, and then I'll be like, let me smell this all day. Yeah, so it is. It is a spicy fragrance. Oriental is kind of racist. What's Oriental? Come on. Yeah. Is that racist or not? I don't know. I like it though. Here's the bottom of the bottle. Dolce & Gabbana. Eau de toilette per 50 milliliter. Made in Italy. And that's alright. But is it ethical? That's the question. Is this an ethical perfume from Dolce & Gabbana? You guys think it's an ethical perfume? You think it's ethically sourced? Not like the cell phone that I'm recording on with the cobalt and minerals and mined by, well, we're all kind of slaves, right? It's like trickling down to that. We're being exposed. All of us are slaves. It's scary. It's sad. But be a slave and be happy with what you do. Try to be. No. If you don't like your job, change it, I guess. That's why I think a lot of people are moving to America. Because you can start from nothing and grow really big. And grow and create a giant corporation organization, because you're gonna be doing it for the rest of your life. So I don't know. Yeah, I liked it. That's all I got. I got no more comments on this. It's better than smelling like Adidas. I'm disappointed in this one. I'm like, I knew this smelled like something, and it has the same color too. It has the same color of Adidas. I feel kind of like swindled. Versace probably swindled us. They just took their, or what? Who came first, right? That's the question. Who came first, Adidas or this Versace Euro de Parfum? I don't know. But thanks for watching this half-assed review of this Dolce & Gabbana. Thanks. Keep on trucking and eyes on the road.